Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Solve, where we try to solve your tech-related queries. So today I am going to show you how to log into Bank of Nova Scotia. So at first open any web browser application on a device. As I am using Google Chrome for it, I simply open it. After opening the web browser application, go to the search bar and search for scotiabank.com and press enter, and it will lead you to the Scotia Bank homepage. After that, tap on this button. So at the top you'll see the different options for your account type, that is personal, small business, commercial, global markets, global wealth. That are your account type. To the suitable account type and click on the sign in button, and it will lead you to the login page of Scotia Bank, where you have to write your username or card number and passwords. On this section, write the card number, or you can write your username too. After writing the card number or the username, writing the password. If you are using a personal computer and you would like to remember the username or card number default by your computer or your device, tap on this button. Or if you are using the shared device, I recommend you not to use this option. After finishing all the information, simply tap on the sign in button, then you'll be successfully signed in to the Scotia Bank Canada. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.